Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today we're going to walk through the last chance list and the carryover list. To do this, it's always my favorite way to have a highlighter, a pen, and a straight edge so that you can run it along these lines if you're looking at it, since there's quite a lot of information here. And just a couple of things I wanted to share with you. On the carryover list, they do have an asterisk showing you which items will only be online. And on the back of the last chance list, there's 3 little asterisks that you'll want to note. Some are only available as host benefits. Others are bundles that are retiring, but the individual items will be staying. So of course, if you want that 10% discount, you'll want to get it before they're gone. And of course, there's a third one. While the items are not retiring, they're not going to be available after January 4th and will be available later in another publication or at a later time. So if you want those items, they're time sensitive also. So let's go ahead and get started. I've marked my catalog already so that we can walk through it together and you can mark yours. Now, caveat, I do my best to get this accurate, but I can make some mistakes. So we're going to start on page 4 and 5 with this beautiful Flourish and Nourish kit. This kit is a wonderful kit that has everything you need, and it's perfect for crafters of all level. Make a wonderful holiday gift, so you can get those. On page 8 and 9, the Sweetest Christmas Suite is going away, and that includes both of our bundles, the adhesive back sequence here, the glimmer paper, and the designer series paper. The ribbon will be carrying over. On page 10 and 11, I've also marked these off as retiring, but there's a 20% discount on the candy cane dies. So when you're shopping, you just want to do the math and figure out which is the best discount for you. In this case, if you can buy these separately, this will be, but if the stamp set is already gone, you can get the bundle and still save 10% since they're different items in our online store. On page 13, all 3 of our items are gone in the spruced up bundle. On page 14, the reindeer bundle is going away, but the stamp set and dies will be carrying over without the discount. The magic mistletoe bundle is going away along with the individual stamp sets and dies, and the dies on this one are 50% off, making it a great value. The Santa Suite Express on page 16 is retiring, along with everything on page 17. And on this one, you'll want to pay close attention to the discounts because they're a really great value with up to 50% off. Page 18, all 3 items and the dies have a 20% discount on this bundle. Page 19, we have the Joyful Flurry bundle, stamp set, and dies, and the dies have a 60% discount. Also, up here in the top, the adhesive back sequin gems are retiring. These are just gorgeous if you didn't get a chance to see them earlier. Page 20, all 3 items are retiring, and the dies have a 40% discount. Page 21, the tag is going to carry over, but the other 3 items are retiring, and these gold holly leaves have a 60% discount. On page 22, this cute little penguin place is retiring, and the punch is 60% off. The Merriest Moments is retiring, and the hybrid embossing folder with the dies is 60% off. Boughs of Holly, this is one of my favorite sets, and the designer series paper is just so pretty. The suite is retiring, the bundle, the ribbon, which has a discount, and the designer series paper. Our textural elements will be carrying over. The Jingle 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 stamp set is retiring on page 26, and all 3 of the items are retiring on page 27. On page 28, the Christmas Barn stamp set, bundle, and dies are retiring, and the dies have a discount. Page 29, the Painted Christmas Designer Series paper is retiring with a 60% discount, and so is the Family and Friends stamp set. The Lights Aglow on page 30 is retiring. This suite contains the 2 bundles, which are going away, the Glimmer paper, the Festive Foils, and the Light of Glow Designer Series paper. However, this one is sold out. And the ribbon and the pearls will be carrying over, which I'm excited about. Page 32, all 3 items are retiring, and there's a 10% discount on the dies. On page 33, just the bundle is retiring. On page 34, the Scotty Dogs bundle, stamp set, and punch are retiring, and there's a 30% discount on that punch. Seal of Approval on page 35 has a 60% discount. And on page 36, all 3 of these items are retiring. The Windows Dies has a 20% discount. Page 37, the North Pole Mischief. This one is just too cute with the little animal images and will be going away, along with the Snowy White Velvet sheets. These sheets are so pretty and have a wonderful texture to them, and they're 60% off. The Yeti to Party is 60% off. The Snow Crystal stamp, which is a gorgeous background stamp, will be carrying over. And the Trees for Sale has a 60% discount. In addition, the Whimsy Woodland embossing folder will be retiring on page 39. On page 40, the Snow Fake Specialty Vellum is retiring, and this vellum is just gorgeous if you haven't seen it, and very versatile. Page 41, we have the Metallic Shimmer 6x6 with a discount of 20%, and the Piece to You stamp set is going away. On page 42, we have the Storybook Gnomes collection. This suite is going away, along with the bundle, the adhesive back gems, and the Snowfall accent paint. Several of these items have a 60% discount. The dies are going to be carrying over and will coordinate with a new stamp set in our new January mini, which makes them a great value. And of course, the ribbon will be carrying over. On page 44, all 3 items are retiring and the dies have a discount. On page 45, these beautiful, wonderful snowflakes that are iridescent are 60% off. And the all bundled up stamp set is retiring. On page 46, the Perched in a Tree bundle is going to be retiring, but the individual items will carry over. Page 47, the Countless Trees has a 60% discount. And on page 48 and 49, we have the Rustic Suite. This Rustic Harvest Suite is retiring, along with the bundle, the Leaf Combo Pack, the Basic Black cardstock. So if you're a scrapbooker or want 12 by 12, you'll want to stock up on that. And of course, the Rustic Harvest Designer Series paper. Our Embossing Additions tool will be carrying over. On page 50, all 3 items are retiring, along with page 51. The Gathered Wheat bundle is retiring, and there's a discount on the bundle and the dies. On page 52, all 3 of the items are retiring, since the Fond of Autumn bundle is part of that, and there's a discount on just the dies. On page 53, both stamp sets are going to say goodbye, and on page 55, we have all 3 items here, the Star Treat Bags, the Best Witches, and the Black and White Designer Series paper, which has a couple of discounts here that you'll want to be sure to check out. Remember, our items are while supplies last, so as we get through the end of November, some of these items might be gone, like that 6x6 I pointed out earlier. So the earlier you place your order, the better, especially if it's something that's on your have-to-have list. On page 56, we have all 3 items here retiring, and there's a 40% discount on the dies. Page 57, all things are retiring. The punch is already sold out, but you can still get the stamp set. The Gingham Cottage suite is retiring, and this suite is fantastic with the products that are included. I just love this Gingham Cottage Designer Series paper stack, which is retiring with a discount. The wreath bundle itself is retiring, but the stamp set and the dies are carrying over, along with the twine and the pearlized enamel effects. Page 60, all 3 items are retiring, and the Golden Beauty dies have a 60% discount. Page 61, all 3 items are retiring, and those dies this time have a 30% discount. Happy to say the Ringed with Nature stamp set and dies are carrying over, but the bundle is going away. So if you want that 10% discount, you'll want to get it before the end of the catalog. Page 63, Vintage Christmas is retiring. And on page 64, the Splendid Day suite is retiring. This suite is an all-occasion suite and just gorgeous. As you can see, the bundle is retiring, and there's a 60% discount on the dies. The trinkets, the ribbon, which is just beautiful to tie, and the Specialty Designer Series paper all have 60% discounts, making them a great value. Page 66, Forever Friendship is retiring. And on page 67, the stamp set is carrying over, but the bundle and dies are retiring, and there is a discount. Page 68, the bundle is retiring, but the stamp set and punch are carrying over, so that 10% discount is going away. Page 69, the Sun-Kissed stamp set will be leaving us with its beautiful tropical images. As far as the index, you can go to the front of the book and you can highlight those items so you have a quick and easy reference. You can always do that on your catalog at a glance also, so that you know with a quick glance what is going away and you can check your shopping list. I hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough of our mini catalog last chance list. It's a quick and easy visual reference as to what's on the list. And of course, when the list goes live on December 1st, you can go to my online store and see everything that's currently retiring and that is still available. And of course, if you like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Jini. Thanks for joining me.